fifth batch. If I'm not mistaken, nasa 25,000 yen yata ito ngayon sa Durasuta. So, Japanese, English, leader, foiler, Goku, Vegeta, English, Trunks, Goku, 1870, gold stamp. May mga gold stamp, gold stamp, gold stamp, gold stamp, gold stamp. So, these are fifth batch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 fifth batch. Okay.